Okay, so here's our new absolute value action. I'll start with an inequality. The absolute value of x is smaller or equal 3. And I want to rewrite this into two statements. The value of x needs to be smaller equal 3, and the value of x needs to be bigger equal -3. The way to do this is to pick up this absolute value and drag it on top of the relation, and then wait a second and let go. So here we have our two equivalent conditions. And what we can do now is we can actually instantiate a GeoGebra graph and link these things into the graph, which creates this area here in gray, which corresponds to all the real numbers which fulfill this condition. If I now pull in that condition here too, we can see that the area where both of these overlap is actually, that's our solution interval from -3 to 3. And I can always inspect the linking here by hovering over these symbols here on the right, and it will show the area in red and the corresponding equation in blue. One other thing I can do is I can go back to this equation. If I switch to scrub mode, I can change this number here. So, I could change it to 1, and now my solution down here updates. And I can see that, well, if I change this into a negative number, then I don't get any overlap down here, which means there is no solution. Which is obviously true, right? Because the absolute value of something can't be smaller than 0.